Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix SteelSeries moments not clipping. So the first thing what we need to do here, you need to go to moments, then make sure auto clipping is enabled here, and then you need to look what exactly SteelSeries moments will clip for you. So select your game, it will be auto detected, and for example let's say Apex Legends here, press on the gear icon and press this little arrow down button, and you should see what moments basically they will clip. For example, for Apex Legends, victory, elimination, multi-knock, get 3 knocks within a minute, multi-elimination, and multi-dominate, get 4+ knockdowns or limbs within 1 minute. And look if it's working. If it's not working, make sure SteelSeries app is up to date, because some of the games requires latest update of the SteelSeries GG in order to work. And still, if the auto clipping is not working, you can go to moments, then here expand this option and start a desktop capture with a mic included if you want to. And another thing that you can do here, if automatically is not detecting a clip, you can start a new clip with this shortcut. To see all the shortcuts, you need to go to settings here, and then you need to go to general, not general, just close this button here, and you will see what button you need to press in order to save a new clip. For my case, it's Alt+S, and you can easily change it, of course. And guys, if still auto clipping is not working, what you can do next is to go to settings, then you need to go to capture and sound, and there is an option for you, allow reaction clipping. And basically you can set your mic to high or medium, and basically it will detect that your mic is raising up, for example for exciting moment or something like that, and it will automatically clip. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.